Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your location on Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, tap on Login option. Log into your Western Union's account using your login credentials and the home page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Contact Us option. On the next page, click on Chat with Us. A live chat will pop up on the screen. On the text box, type in I need to change my location and tap on an arrow icon shown on the page. Here you can just follow the prompts till the end and that's how you will be able to change the location. Or else you can also contact to the Western Union support by calling on the toll-free number shown on the page. This is how you can change your location on Western Union's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.